guys, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today is my first unboxing in a month. This is the longest I've ever not filmed anything for YouTube. And I have Mindful Souls. This was sent to me in PR. The company contacted me last year and asked if I wanted to do a collab. And it says Mindful Souls is a little magical haven for anyone interested in spirituality, mindfulness, personal growth, crystals, jewellery and other magical things. And they thought I would be a good fit for it. They sent this early December and then I received the box just after my stepdad died, which is why I haven't unboxed it. I have messaged them but I haven't heard back from them, unfortunately. They did give me a discount code, which was, I'll put on the screen here, Miss Lucy. I'm not entirely sure if it will still work or not. If they contact me before I upload this, I will send you guys, I'll put it in the description box or something, that it's a new discount code. I'm just trying to find the price. So if I click subscribe, it's £42.53, £42.53p. It's free 2 to 6 day shipping in the UK and Europe. Yeah, and it looked really lovely, and I feel really horrible that I haven't managed to unbox it until now, but let's jump in and have a little look at what we've got. I need a knife. I'm in the kitchen just because the light is quite nice. So it looks like this. Box is asleep. Oh my god, there's a turtle. One of my kids is going to try and steal that. So we've got this, and then on the back it tells us exactly what is in it. So let's have a look. So we've got a little open your eyes and open your mind. Are you a sticker? Not sure if it's a sticker. I think it's a sticker or something. Just a little thing, a little cute. Got my tattoo there the same. And an affirmation for money. New opportunities to increase my income open up for me now. A little card with an affirmation on it. We've got a charcoal black face mask. Oh, it's a peel off one. I love a peel off mask, so that's nice. I have to check to see if it's cruelty free or not. We'll check. And then everything else is in little bags. And they say Mindful Souls on them. So let's have a look and see what we've got. I've got a Citrine Bracelet. Oh wow, that's really pretty. The light in here is doing all the lovely things for the crystals. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. It's got a little gold coloured clasp. Citrine is a stone of light and happiness. Wearing a citrine bracelet strengthens your will, motivation and determination, helping you go after the things you want the most. Citrine is also known as one of the most powerful manifestation gemstones because it activates imagination, bringing more creative visions and a positive outlook on life. Well, I definitely need that at the moment. That is gorgeous. And the next little bag, I love all these little bags. We've got some... the red Aragonite, I think. It's really pretty. It's raw. Obviously it's a raw crystal. It's not been polished or anything. A red Aragonite acts as a stabilizing stone and can be helpful for those who are focused on bringing more harmony into their life. Meditating with a red Aragonite can help you be grounded spiritually and growth into the lower chakras, raising the overall vibration of the body. It helps to create a deeper connection to the planet Earth and release issues from the past and attachments in the present. There is a cat here just in case some little ears pop up. That's lovely. I'm going to pop that one back in the bag because I don't want the cats to knock that on the floor. I did feed the cats just now, hoping that they would, don't you dare knock that off, Binks. Hoping they would keep them out of the way for a minute. Binksy cat. Oh my god, this is so cute. My little girl, Aria, is going to want this. It's a Snowflake Obsidian turtle. She loves turtles so much. So she is going to steal that, I know for a fact. That is beautiful. Binksy, get off. It says Snowflake Obsidian is also known as the Mirror Stone. It is believed to reflect evil eye energy back to the sender. Snowflake Obsidian is associated with the protection from harm and is said to break bad luck, while the turtle is a symbol of success, fertility, vitality and great patience. Again, that is something that at the moment I need that in my life. That is lovely. I'm going to hide it from her. Don't anyone tell her. Nobody tell Aria that I got a turtle. Next, I've got a Citrine Point. This is Binks, by the way, in case anyone likes cats. A Citrine Point is believed to elevate optimism and energy to a place more able to manifest and accept opportunity. As you attract new possibilities, people and energy into your life, prosperity and abundance will soon follow. In working with the solar plexus chakra, citrine warms the core to radiate power, centeredness, confidence and endurance throughout the body and mind. Again, this literally just feels like it's made for me at the moment. Prior to, it's really weird that when this first would have been sent, this would have all been lovely, but it wouldn't really have felt like it was meant for me. But now, because of what's happened, it feels more personal. And then lastly, wow, we've got a Tree of Life necklace. Oh my goodness, it's like a rose gold clasp and chain and wire. That is absolutely gorgeous. It looks like it's got green aventurine, amethyst, and I don't know what that one is. No, you get it. A clear quartz is wrapped in a magical tree leaves of amethyst and green aventurine. Green aventurine carries a strong connection to the earth, while the amethyst provides concentration. To program the quartz with your intentions, hold it in the palm of your hand and focus on what you want to transfer into the crystal. The crystal's memory will download your intentions and help manifest those goals. It's the full moon tonight as well, so I'm going to be charging all of these. It does say at the bottom, please note it's important to cleanse and energise your crystals as soon as you obtain them. Allow your crystals to sit under cool running water for 10 to 20 minutes. If you're near a natural running river, stones can be placed in an open mesh bag and left for a short time in the natural running water. Me and my little girls, we charge all of our crystals during the full moon outside, and we make moon water. So I'll be charging these all tonight. That is just beautiful. I'm going to take a picture of it because I don't know if you can see how lovely this is. I'm going to take a picture of it and then hopefully I'll insert it into the footage and you'll be able to see. Yeah, it looks incredible on the photo. Let me see if I can show you it on the photo now, because I just don't think you can see. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. I love that so much. I don't expect this company to send me PR anymore because I haven't uploaded it when I was supposed to, which is fine, but I will definitely be buying that box again because it's beautiful. I really, really love that. And I will try and find some prices of the different elements and then see if I can work out how much everything would be if you paid full price for it rather than subscription price. But yeah, that was the box. Let me know what you think. And let me know if you like these kind of more alternative unboxings as opposed to the traditional beauty box unboxings. This is all he wants. Oh, not today he doesn't. Ben calls him Velcro Cat because he normally just sits on my shoulder. Yeah, thanks so much for watching and I hope you have the day that you deserve. I read that recently and I can't remember where, but I think it's a very good way of saying if you're a dick, have a dick day. If you're a lovely person, have a lovely day. So have the day that you deserve. Love you, bye.